So the first question regarding the targeted sanctions of individuals. As you know, because it has been widely reported, a number of governments following the execution of Mr. Khashoggi have taken a range of measures to sanction individuals. Their numbers have varied from 17 to 20 or 21. Within those individuals, so far the highest senior officials that have been named in relationship to the killings have not been included in that list. What I point out in my report is that the effectiveness of those targeted sanctions is heavily based on the level of seniority of the individuals concerned. So I have an issue there with the sanctions as it is. The second point I am making is that given the evidence warranting international investigation, criminal investigation into the responsibility of the Crown Prince, it is a logical step for me to be asking for him to be included in the sanctions until and unless there is evidence provided that he was not involved, didn't know, should not have known of the execution. The question regarding the universal jurisdictions. First, I want to make a couple of points. Universal jurisdictions is usually claimed with regard to crimes that hit a certain level. They are usually war crimes, crimes against humanity, and so on. As I elaborate on in my report, there is no real legal or normative reason as to why universal jurisdiction cannot be claimed against a single killing, particularly because that killing, the execution of Mr. Khashoggi, violated a range of international law provisions. It violated, of course, the prohibition against arbitrary killing. It violated the Vienna Convention on Consular Relations. It violated the prohibition against the extraterritorial use of force in times of peace. It violated the prohibition against enforced disappearances, and it may have violated the Convention against Torture. So the circumstances of that execution, in my view, make it a particularly important case for universal jurisdictions. What does it mean in practice? It means that when and if international criminal investigation or an investigation of a criminal nature undertaken by other states determine that the responsibilities of certain individuals are involved, then it is incumbent upon those states to take the necessary actions.